Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete Perplexity Comet browser from your computer. If you've decided this browser isn't the right fit for you, or you simply want to free up some space, removing it is a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. Let's start by clicking the Start menu. This is your gateway to accessing all the system settings and applications on your computer. Once the Start menu opens, you'll see various options displayed. From here, click on Settings. This will open up the Windows Settings window, where you can manage everything from system preferences to installed applications. Inside the Settings window, you'll need to navigate to the Apps section. Click on Apps to proceed. This is where Windows organizes all the programs and applications currently installed on your system. It's essentially your control center for managing what stays and what goes on your computer. Now that you're in the Apps section, you'll see a search bar that allows you to quickly locate specific applications without scrolling through a potentially long list. Type Comet into this search bar. As you type, Windows will filter the results to show only applications matching your search term. Once Comet appears in the results, click on it to select it. This action will reveal additional options for managing the application. With Comet selected, you'll notice an Uninstall button appears. Click this Uninstall button to begin the removal process. Windows needs to confirm that you actually want to remove this application, which is a helpful safeguard against accidental deletions. A confirmation dialog will pop up asking you to verify your decision. Click Uninstall again to confirm. This second click finalizes your choice and triggers the actual uninstallation process. Your system will now work to remove Perplexity Comet browser from your computer completely, clearing out its files and freeing up the space it was occupying. And that's it. You've successfully removed Perplexity Comet browser from your system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.